Hi, I'm Kristy, and I am opening a new franchise with Brilliant Massage and Skin in Stowe, Vermont. It's a pop-up location. I wanted to talk a little bit about my journey through this process. I've been in this industry for a long time, some decades. Worked with different systems and businesses, and it's been a whole lifelong journey. And where I am now in my life is that I want to step away from working with clients hands-on so much, because I'm aging, it's just the truth. We don't get younger. And so what made me comfortable is I do have a personal relationship. I've worked with this company and I've had so much support. I'm not wonderful with technology. That can be a struggle for me, and I've just had so much support. Everything is kind of in place, and it's been laid out for me because my life is very busy. I have a family and all these things, and I drive, an hour. I live in rural Vermont. So if I can do this here, I feel like anyone could do this anywhere. When I was in massage school some decades ago in California, I remember another brand kind of popped up, and I always was kind of against franchises, and I didn't really support what they were doing with our industry, because I felt like it kind of watered it down and made it just that idea, the word franchise, and that was a mental process that I had to get over. And so today my journey with it is we have to support each other as a community in business and just community in general. And so that's how I feel. And it's a lot of work, nothing just happens immediately. There's sacrifices and things that we have to do to really put the work in. So it's not hey, I'm just gonna have this money and there it goes and it's just gonna work for me. I do work very hard, but I don't work so hard without the support that I need, and I have that in this company. So that's my testimony, and I hope that you come and join us one day.